Hi my beauties, my name is Jan Benham, cosmetic formulator for Purèz Cosmetics. So you might wonder why you're always seeing me in dungarees. It's because we're still moving boxes and I find these are the most comfortable garments to wear when I'm moving and opening boxes, putting everything away, cleaning. It's a constant routine at the moment. So hopefully soon I'll be wearing different clothing. So today I thought I'd share with you some tips and tricks on how to use mineral makeup. And I thought today I'd show you how I cover up brown spots. So there's two ways you can do this. On the face, I like to use a yellow concealer. This is on red patches. This is yellow. It's a yellow corrector actually rather than a concealer. And what it does, it neutralizes any bluish shades like under the eyeshadows and any way you want to really brighten up the face. So I use this on some areas of my face, sometimes on my nose. But for here I have a brown spot right here. And I'm just going to show you how I cover this up. So I actually use a shaping powder. And this has always worked quite well for me. Now the shaping powder is actually a foundation. It's a darker foundation. So if this color doesn't work for you, then you can always try another of the darker foundations. But this works particularly well. And I have no idea why, but it seems to. So I just literally get the concealer brush and I just pat it on to the area. And you can see, voila, it starts to disappear. It's like magic. And then, except I didn't bring my kabuki brush, you could then work over the whole area with a kabuki brush, which will effectively smooth out the whole area. So I'm just going to do the rest with the kabuki brush and I'll be right back. I'm actually using a blush brush and just swiping it on, and you can see it evens out the skin tone very nicely on my décolleté. So this is how I personally cover up any brown spots. Now if I wanted to get rid of this brown spot, I have a tendency, I want to keep this because I use it to show how to cover. But if I wanted to get rid of it, I would actually use organic castor oil. Now when you buy organic castor oil, make sure it's organic of course, make sure it's in a glass bottle. So we do sell it in glass bottles. The reason for this is castor oil draws out toxins out of the body, and it also draws out the toxins in the plastic. So it effectively draws out, and then you have that in the castor oil. You do not want to use plastic castor oil. Now what I usually do, for any areas I want to even out in my skin, I apply a touch of castor oil to various areas on my face or body. And then, because it's so tacky, I use an unscented lotion which I put on top of the castor oil. What this does, this unscented lotion is also in glass. It contains fractionated coconut oil, which is basically MCT oil, and this helps to push the castor oil into the skin, which helps to work its wonders. And also it takes away the tackiness immediately. Another thing I found helps if I can't sleep, I put a little bit of castor oil on my tummy, especially in my belly button, and again put some unscented lotion on top of that. And usually I sleep better, calmer. So that's another little tip for brown spots. We'll go into more about brown spots on another time. So I hope that helps you. And if you'd like any more information about this, please contact me. Otherwise, it's bye for now.